This is the Anker A1643 MagGo Qi2 15-watt folding power bank. What's really nice about this design is it has this folding hinge on it, so you can have it flat like this, and then you can attach your phone directly to it and charge it with the faster Qi2 15-watt charging speeds. This battery does have a capacity of 6.6 thousand milliamp hours, so this is going to be great if you want to charge your phone about 1.5 times. This will charge your phone from 0 to 50% in about 45 minutes or so, so this is going to be a pretty fast MagSafe power bank. What I like about it is you can use it flat like this to hold your phone. It is a little bit thick, but it's still very lightweight and compact without having any USB cords connected to your phone. Then if you want to watch some videos on it or use it for a phone call, you actually can just hinge it like this and use it in the folding mode. You can also put the phone on its side and then use it in the always on display mode, which also looks really cool. As far as the actual ports and buttons on this is very simple. There's a single button on the side that activates the LED indicator on the front that shows you how much power is left. And then on the side you do get a USB-C port for charging it. And this also does include a short USB-C to USB-C cable. This is a really nice, versatile Qi2 charging power bank that I really enjoy using because of that folding hinge on it. So it's great to use beside my desk whenever I want to keep my phone charged without having to dig out a USB-C cable.